Why MetaQuotes make you think twice about being a trader using indicators? Well, I'm gonna basically tell you why it's so important to learn how to trade without relying on indicators so you don't be this type of trader, right? We all know what had happened with MetaQuotes, right? Where MetaQuotes basically cut license with a lot of these brokers that we were dealing with. And the reason why I'm saying this is because a lot of us had custom indicators. We had brought indicators that cost a lot of money but only work for MetaQuotes, and we've been making so much money with it, and we're like, man, this is the best indicator. And you probably reselling it to other people, you probably offering subscription plans, you probably have it in your VIP room or whatever it is, and you get a notification saying that, oh, by the way, we no longer will be using MetaQuotes because of this or whatever. And you're like, so this is why I say it's really good to learn how to trade without using any indicators. I know for some of y'all that maybe utilize a lot of different indicators and rely on indicators, you might find it very complicated or almost to the point where it's impossible, but I'm gonna be honest with you guys. Indicators are based off of price, action, and structure. So if you were a coder, you have to go off of something. And the only thing that you can rely off of is the data that the price of the chart and the candles that you see, that's the price, is seeing. So let's say for those that maybe created their own indicator and maybe more of a coder, you can understand me a little bit. But let's say that you coded an indicator where it reads the previous 14 candles, the strength of them, the volume of them is basically what I'm saying, and it reads the time, right? So you can code this bot to say specific times you wanted to look out for something, a specific if statement. But if you created this bot within that and you're like, now I don't even have access to, this is why I say learn how to trade without using indicators. So then when it's time for you to use an indicator, you know exactly how that indicator works. All it would take for you to do is literally look at that source or look at that indicator, analyze it, and you immediately be like, oh, all it's doing is reading past 14 days. All it's doing is giving me the average of where price should be within 30 days, like the RSI, which is really known for doing that. Stochastics, right? A lot of these volume indicators, right? The moment you can pick up on that, you will become a genius. You will literally become a genius because you will not only know how to trade, but you also know how to, when that time comes, code something for yourself. So maybe it can be a time where you're like, I'm done trying to sit on the computer and trade myself. You can now build your own strategy and have it automatically trade. This is why I say, do not rely on indicators, because nothing is promised in this world. So once again, seeing that what's going on in this whole trading community, this should open up your eyes more in a way to really master the art of market structure, master the art of price action, master the art of technical analysis with the fundamentals of technical analysis. And then you take all of that knowledge you then have built over the years and you now implement that into an indicator, your own indicator now at this point. Or if your strategy is based off of RSI or something, you now know and feel 100% confident, why is this RSI at this point at this given time? You now understand why the stochastic is going up and down at these different time frames or these different time set zones at this specific time. You now understand so much to the point where you can, like I say, build your own custom EA and master that, and you can have that bot or something trade for you. You can use TradingView, you can use MetaTrader, you have Trade Locker. You got so many different trading platforms out nowadays. The trading platform is not what's going to make you or break you. The trading platform is the last thing that's going to make you and break you. If you really think about this, the trading platform is what's literally going to open your eyes up more and understand, I really need to get on my ish and trade. But once again, that's why it's so important not even really care for anything else and just master the art of technical analysis. If you guys want more videos like this, comment down below. I got you guys. Other than that, your boy Solo. See you guys in my next video. Peace.